Here is one of our new favorites, wind-up pirate ship. So you take out the pirate ship, you flip to the front of the book, and there's a great story about Captain Blackjack assembling a crew. And here is your first track, your first treasure hunt. So you wind up the pirate ship, and then you place it on the book after it's wound up, and you let it go. And it goes around the book and just keeps going. There's little things to spot, beware of. Lots of interesting little tidbits. The story continues, and you're on to your next treasure map track. So we've wound up the pirate ship again and place it on the track. There it goes. Circling the Balloon Island. So it's such a fun adventure to this book, as well as being a little story and a toy as well. And here is our last track. Off we go. So this is definitely a favorite of ours right now. And then after it's finished, you can put your little pirate ship right back in the spot so you don't lose it. So it goes in here. Has a little case that goes on top that snaps into place, and you're all set. So.